Well, hello again and welcome back to the Tamiya Australia YouTube channel. So I wanted to do some unboxing videos on the channel. I've got so many new inbox kits behind and so many that probably you guys haven't seen through or don't know what's inside when you get the kits in the mail or get the kits from the hobby shop. So I thought I'll just go through and do maybe 10 videos of just unboxings. If there's something you can see that on my collection, you can have a look at my Instagram, I've got a whole bunch of stuff there that you'd like me to unbox, let me know. If I do have it, I will do an unboxing video for you. But I thought, yeah, I'll just open up some boxes and see what's going on. No news at the moment. So today is the 2nd of June, 2025. In a couple of days, we'll get the list for the July releases from Tamiya. And as soon as that comes out, I will do a release video for July 2025. But yeah, nothing at the moment. No news is good news, I guess. Yeah, I'm actually going to do an unboxing of this kit here, which is a pretty popular kit, the Tamiya Mountain Rider. I've got two of these. I ended up with two of them somehow. Well, I'll tell you how I ended up with two of them. One of them I ended up with out of a hobby shop that was closing up, and it was 330 bucks, and I couldn't say no for $330. And the other one I ended up with RC Mart. And when you buy from RC Mart in Hong Kong, you end up with points. And I'd been buying there forever and I didn't realize how many points I had, and I had one left and I had so many points that I used all the points against it, and it cost me basically nothing to get it. I had to pay for the freight almost, and that was pretty much it to get them. I know nowadays they go for around about $1,000 each, so yeah, and they're a bit hard to find. So I've got one, I've actually got, well, two. I've got one that I want to build, one to keep on the shelf. I'd like to have one new inbox, so I'm not sure which one I'm going to build, but one of them's got a damaged box which came damaged, so I'll build that one, try to keep the other one perfect. So yeah, we'll have a look through the Mountain Rider box, and I'll maybe do the Manta Ray again. Haven't done that one before, and the 956. So these are sort of pretty popular kits that people want to see through. So yeah, stick with us and have a look through the box, and yeah, let's do it together. Well, in typical Tamiya fashion, awesome box art. RN36 Hilux, I think, from memory. 3-speed transmission, lifelike gear changes, first, second, third, and reverse. Ready to assemble precision model kit, model play vary on image on box. So yeah, that's the transmission up here. Looks pretty awesome. All right, let's flick her open and look inside. Ooh. See that damage just there from transit. Oh, I don't think I've beaten this one for a while. Okay. So, as you can see, humongous box. Down there. This is the damage on, so you can see that bit of damage there. That's from the transit when it came. So, chrome wheels and some plastic pieces here. These are side steps and the bumper. Another plastic piece in there, the highlights for the roof lights, tailgate in there as well. This is the main cab. So yeah, same as the Tamiya Hilux, I think it is. So yeah, and Bruiser will be the same as the Bruiser as well. Chrome roll bar, chrome light buckets all along there. More tub parts. And then that is the tray. So yeah, it's all the same as the Bruiser. Obviously the Bruiser has the cab part that fits here. This has got the full single cab rather than having the extra cab, I guess. So here's some metal bits on this side. Oh, fortunately they got broken. So that's the full metal chassis. So it's sort of, I guess, partially assembled because these are all, you can see the screws there. So it does have the crossbars screwed in. Full alloy diffs. So that's the rear axle housing. You could definitely spend some time and polish these up if you wanted to. They would come up really nice with a polish. That's front axle housing, so a little bit smaller. You could take some time with some sandpaper and sand them back with 600, 1000, 2000, and then get some auto sol on them and give them a good polish up. That'll look really sweet under the car. So, get that out of the way. Under here, pretty detailed cabin. Paint the seats up, blacken the floor there, and you've got full dash. And that's the louver for the rear window, steering wheel, some bumper pieces, front and rear bumpers I assume. Oh, these might be the side steps actually, that other one might have been the bumpers. My oversized tyres to the floor. And then this little box of tricks over here. Oh, it's quite heavy. So yeah, get some more box art on the front. And inside we have windscreen and rear screen. So obviously that's from the Bruiser, which you're not going to use. This has got the clear rear screen there. Metal skid plate. That feels like steel, so probably won't be able to polish it. You'd have to get that chromed if you wanted to do that. Transmission gear set. Keep the metal parts in here. This is bag A. Greases, hubs, cross pieces, big suspension parts in there. So I guess suspension looks like probably start with building the axles up. There's the inners of the gears for the axles and diffs and stuff. I guess to start with the axles, some metal bearings in there. Bag B, more alloy pieces. And you've got the drop links for the rear, more bearings. So you obviously start on your suspension here. Gear oil, there's some damper oil, sorry, there. Yeah, B bag, C bag, unis, heap more bearings. That's a full bearing kit, so you don't have to buy a bearing set, which is good. And this is obviously where you start assembling the gearbox, because there's some synchro pieces in there. It comes with a genuine Tamiya motor, 540 size. I think the original Bruiser had a 720 size from memory. Little tool bag. I'm sure if you build a few of these, you end up with thousands of little Tamiya tools. A couple of Allen keys, a couple of spanners, and a little hex key. There's some more gearbox bits. Again, these are all alloy, so you can polish them if you wanted to polish them. This is a D bag, so some extension pieces there for these are the cables for the motor cables, extensions. Looks like the chassis, the body mount here. And some rubber bands and bits and pieces, servo savers and stuff. D bag. There's an actual servo saver. You get all that with it. More gears. There's more gears for the gearbox. Like an outer case piece and inner gears and stuff. Plastic synchros. Another servo saver. Bag E now. Heaps more screws. Got the little brackets, body clips, so get towards the end of the build. And yeah, more gear cases. So yeah, all the alloy can be polished if you wanted to do that. Oh, there you go. There's a linkage there for steering, I assume. So you can polish all that up and get that look really fresh, really flash. And then of course, instruction manual with some decals. So let's open that up, have a look. So those beautiful Tamiya decals. And that super comprehensive Tamiya manual. These are just absolutely perfect. Big build, I reckon, conservatively with finishing the body and building everything properly. 25 to 35 hours. You're going to need a 4-speed radio set as well. and it's pretty comprehensive. Yeah, awesome. Well, thanks for watching the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it wasn't too boring. It's something I can do better. Something I can improve on, please let me know. Yeah, like I said, awesome kit, and got to enjoy building it one day. I want to know, like I said, I've been watching a few videos on YouTube about build videos to see how people do it. I want to do it that's sort of engaging, not just a sort of a bland sort of video. But yeah, I want to make good content. I don't want to keep making shitty content. I want to try and keep improving my content. If you've been watching the channel for a while, you know I keep trying to improve and improve. So yeah, hopefully I keep doing that. So I hope you enjoy the video. We're going to see you next time. Bye. So if you like this video, there's plenty more on our channel that you're going to love. Hit like, hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Check out some of the other videos that we've made. I'm sure you'll like them.